In this video, I'm going to show you lazy ways you can use AI to make real money from your phone without coding, designing, or being a genius. When I say lazy, I don't mean you sleep all day. I mean systems that make money for you or with minimal effort. So these are income streams where AI does 80% of the job and you collect the rest. Here are 20 laziest ways to make money with AI in Kenya, 2025 and 26. 1. AI YouTube Shorts automation. AI can now write scripts, create voices, and even generate video clips automatically. You don't need to appear on camera. Just choose a niche, e.g. motivation, money facts, Kenyan history. Then use tools like Pika Labs, Veo, and 11 Labs. Upload 3 to 5 shorts daily and monetize with YouTube Shorts Fund plus affiliate links. Lazy factor, AI does the writing, voice, and editing. 2. Faceless TikTok compilation channels. You can use AI to download, edit, and rebrand viral clips into your own theme page. Quotes, na business lessons, or Kenyan reactions. Add AI-generated voiceovers and captions with tools like CapCut AI plus ChatGPT plus Opus Clip. Lazy factor. You don't record anything, just repurpose and grow fast. 3 AI article to video channels. Take trending articles or blogs, like top 10 Nairobi estates. Paste into ChatGPT, summarize, generate visuals using Pika or Kyber. Upload as videos. Kenyan audiences love simplified news and lifestyle explainers. Lazy factor, text to video to upload. Done. 4. Autoblog/affiliate site. Use ChatGPT plus Notion plus WordPress AI to build a blog that updates itself daily, e.g. Kenyan Hustles Hub or AI Business Ideas Africa. Monetize with Google Ads or affiliate links. Lazy factor. Once set up, it runs itself. 5. WhatsApp AI bots. Create simple WhatsApp bots that reply automatically with AI, e.g. a motivational quote bot, a business idea bot, or a relationship advice bot. Sell access or subscriptions via M-Pesa. Lazy factor. Bot handles all messages for you. 6. AI digital products on Etsy/Gumroad. Create AI-made templates, planners, or ebooks, e.g. Budget Tracker Kenya 2025. Once uploaded, they sell 24/7. Passive income. Lazy factor. Make once, sell forever. 7A I meme pages/quote accounts. Use ChatGPT plus Canva AI to auto-generate daily motivational quotes, trending memes, and tweet screenshots. Sell ad slots or shoutouts once you build an audience. Lazy factor. One-click content creation. 8. AI voiceover/audiobook business. Record nothing. Use 11 Labs to generate your voice or a celebrity like one. Then sell voiceovers for YouTubers, podcasters, or TikTokers. Lazy factor. AI does the voice. You just send the file. 9. AI script writing for TikTokers and YouTubers. You don't need to film. Just write viral scripts using ChatGPT and sell them to content creators who need engaging hooks. Lazy factor. Copy, paste, get paid. 10. AI reseller hustle. You don't need to create anything. Just learn how to use 2 to 3 AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, Veo. Then offer AI services to small businesses in your area. Charge them for what AI does. You're the middleman. Lazy factor. AI does the work. You pocket the difference. Funny but true. 11th AI meme and viral video generation. Turn trending tweets or TikTok sounds into memes using Pika Labs, Runway, or Veo. Lazy factor. You don't even need to appear on camera. Just upload text or a photo. Let AI animate it and post. If one goes viral, you can earn from views or get paid for shoutouts. 12. AI voiceovers for faceless YouTube channels. Use 11 Labs or Play.ht to create smooth voiceovers for clients who want to stay anonymous. Lazy factor. You just paste the script, click generate, and deliver. You don't record or edit anything. AI does all the talking for you. 13. AI real estate or car listing videos. Scrape nice property or car images from Gigi, feed them into Kyber or Pika, and add a robotic voiceover. Lazy factor. You're not selling houses, just turning listings into catchy videos. Even better if you automate posting daily with CapCut templates. 14. AI branding on demand. Logos plus business names. Use ChatGPT to suggest names, Leonardo AI for logos, and sell mini branding packs. Lazy factor. No design skills, no Photoshop, just a good prompt and a Canva export. Post results on TikTok with a DM me for your brand pack caption. 15. AI course reselling. Bundle free. AI tutorials from YouTube or Coursera. Summarize them and repackage as PDFs or playlists. Lazy factor. You're not creating content. You're curating and organizing what already exists. Pure digital flipping. 16. AI short story or comic generator. Use ChatGPT plus Midjourney plus Pika Labs to make short African-themed AI movies. Lazy factor. The AI writes, draws, and animates for you. You just add your name and upload to YouTube Shorts. Entertainment on autopilot. 17. AI content rewriter for bloggers. Use copy.ai or Jasper to rewrite people's blog articles to sound human. Lazy factor. Copy, paste, edit title, done. It's literally charging people for what ChatGPT already does, and no one complains because it saves them hours. 18. AI affiliate marketing videos. Review trending AI tools and include affiliate links. Lazy factor. You don't create the product or service, you just talk about it. One viral video can keep paying you every month. 19. AI resumes and portfolio builder. Offer to make professional resumes with Notion AI or Canva Magic Design. Lazy factor. 1. AI template works for everyone. After creating it once, you're just changing names and exporting as PDF. 20. AI music remix generator. You use AI tools like Udio, Suno AI, or Beethoven to upload an existing track or sample. Then ask the AI to remix it into a new genre. You can sell these AI remixes to content creators, DJs, or even use them as background music for ads, YouTube videos, or brands that want a specific sound without paying high studio rates. You can literally type a prompt like remix Burna Boy in a Mapiano style with club drums, press generate, and in 2 minutes, boom, you have a radio quality track. See what I mean by lazy? These are all AI powered shortcuts Kenyans are sleeping on. The best part, you don't need a degree, office, or even experience. You just need Wi-Fi, curiosity, and consistency. If you found value in this video, like it right now, subscribe, and let's grow the Sinvotex AI community, where Kenyans learn to make money the smart way. And if you want to learn how to build these AI hustles step by step, from setup to getting your first client, we train people right here at Sinvotex B and M Solutions. We help entrepreneurs, creatives, and small business owners automate their work using AI tools. Email sinvotex@gmail.com. Call or WhatsApp 0745058243. We'll help you start smart, not hard.